Heat press machines are an essential tool for anyone looking to customize fabrics, garments, and other surfaces with intricate designs. Whether you're starting a small business or just looking to create some personalized gifts, investing in the best heat press machine is crucial. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best heat press machines you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Start at number 5, we have the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine, a game changer for all your heat pressing needs. Say goodbye to the struggles of regular heat press machines with this auto press, which allows you to have free hands while it takes care of your project. Simply load your project onto the press and press the R button, and the machine will do the rest. It automatically adjusts to your project's thickness and releases when the timer is done. Not only is it easy to use, but it also heats up quickly and evenly. In just 4 minutes, it reaches a common use temperature of 320, twice as fast as regular heat presses. Plus, it has multiple modes that make heat transfers quicker and simpler than ever before. With the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine, you can make more in less time. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or customize your own clothing and accessories, this machine has got you covered. At only $251, it's a steal for all the features it offers. Next up at number 4, let me introduce you to the versatile Cricut EasyPress 2, perfect for taking on any heat transfer project. Imagine this, you spent hours designing a unique logo for your friend's custom t-shirt, only to be disappointed when the design fades after a few washes. With Cricut EasyPress 2, that won't be the case. The advanced heat plate design ensures edge-to-edge heat up to 400 of, giving you fast, effortless, and long-lasting results. This incredible heat press is user-friendly, with rigorously tested time and temperature settings for every project. Once you've applied heat, simply wait for the beep and you're done. Safety is also a top priority with an insulated safety base and auto shoot-off feature. Cricut EasyPress 2 is lightweight and easy to store, compatible with major brands of iron-on, HTV, infusible ink, and sublimation products. At only $199, it's an excellent complement to any Cricut cutting machine. Looking for a reliable and efficient heat press machine? Look no further than the Seeutek heat press, which has earned the coveted number 3 spot on our list. This impressive machine boasts a 12 by 10 inches Teflon-coated heating plate that protects your vinyl and clothes while you work and is also harmless to them. The Teflon cover is heat-resistant, easy to clean, and provides steady printing. With its non-slip rubber handle, the machine is comfortable to handle. But that's not all. The Seeutek heat press is also an intelligent design, with an LCD intelligent memory digital controller that can control temperature and time. You can easily set the required temperature according to your needs, and the machine will stop heating when the preset temperature is reached. Plus, it sounds an alarm when the time is completed. The machine also features a double-tube heating design, which ensures that heating is more uniform and patterns are clear. And with the ability to rotate 360 degrees, you can direct pressure downward and apply it evenly. For just $102, you'll get a fully assembled machine with a plate and press, 2 Teflon sheets, and a user manual. Xinart heat press machine takes the 2nd spot on our list, and for good reason. Imagine you're in a hurry to get your designs on your t-shirt, and your iron is taking forever to heat up. This is where Xinart's 9 by 9 inch heat press machine comes in, which heats up more rapidly and evenly than other regular irons. What's more, our heat press machine is made of high temperature and fire-resistant materials, ensuring long-lasting use. With a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the Xinart heat press machine is perfect for a wide range of materials. Safety is always a top priority, and Xinart understands that. This heat press 9 by 9 inch has FCC and UL certification and an auto-off design that shuts off automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity, giving you the best convenience and safety. With its newly designed precise temperature control system and clear view LED screen, Xinart's heat press machine is easy to use, allowing you to set the suitable temperature and time for various materials. At only $109, the Xinart heat press machine is an excellent value for your money. Finally, at number 1 on the list, we have the Vivohome 8-in-1 heat press machine, which boasts an array of features that make it a great investment for any printing business. Firstly, the machine's streamlined anti-scalding handrail design ensures that it is safe and comfortable to use. Additionally, the high-temperature plastic multi-layer heat insulation design of the machine shell effectively prevents burns. The heat press employs a swingable and guide rail design that not only makes it more convenient for you to take clothes, but also ensures even heating to guarantee the quality of the finished transfer. The double heating tube design heats a larger area and delivers better transfer effects with a temperature difference of only about 5 degrees Celsius from the central and the edge. Furthermore, the temperature range and timer range are 104 to 392 at F and 0 to 999 seconds, respectively, with a constant level of maintenance once the preset time is reached. This complete kit can be yours for only $299, making it an excellent investment for any printing enthusiast. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.